Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. Alumina rod, with its unique physical and chemical properties, has shown a wide range of application potential and significant advantages in many industries. ATCERA is committed to bringing cost savings, efficiency gains, and technological innovation to industries through its product performance. The primary advantage of alumina rods is their excellent durability. This property enables alumina rods to maintain stable performance over long periods of time in environments subjected to extreme wear and tear, such as chemical processing and manufacturing. Thanks to their extremely low wear rate and high corrosion resistance, ATCERA's alumina rods operate reliably even in harsh conditions, significantly reducing maintenance and replacement costs. In industries such as aerospace and automotive manufacturing, where materials are subjected to high temperatures, the thermal stability of alumina rods is particularly important. ATCERA alumina rods maintain structural integrity at high temperatures, reducing safety risks due to material failure. In addition, the thermal insulation properties of alumina help to reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency. Another significant advantage of alumina rods is their wide range of applications, from biomedical to environmental technologies. Alumina rods play an important role in prosthetic and dental implants with their biocompatibility and high strengths. Through continuous development and innovation, ATCERA has expanded the application of alumina rods to more areas, driving technological advances and improving operational efficiency in various industries. Alumina rods show irreplaceable advantages in many industries with their excellent durability, thermal stability, and a wide range of applications. With its high-quality products and innovative technologies, ATCERA provides efficient and reliable solutions to various industries. Contact ATCERA right now.